Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to show task view in your Windows 11. So as you can see in my desktop, I have task view here. This one, if you click it, you will find all of your tasks. And if you want to activate this, I'm gonna show you how. So first in your desktop, you can go to your settings. I'm gonna search it, settings, and hit enter. And then in the setting page, you can go to your personalization in the left side menu here, click on it. And then if you scroll down, you will find taskbar, then click on it. And as you can see, there is option to turn on task view. So you can just click this toggle. So if I click it, it will turn off and it's gone. And if you click turn on, and it will be like this. you know. So yeah, I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.